Hello traders, welcome back to Wild Bull Trading. I have got some exciting news to share today. A recent trade that brought in a solid $3,600 profit. If you are into trading or looking to dive into markets, join me in live trading at 8:15 a.m. Central Time on market days. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, let's talk about this $3,600 profit trade. It's always a great feeling when your analysis and strategy come together to deliver tangible results. I want to walk you through the key elements of this trade and share some insights that might help you in your own trading journey. I spotted a price move above the moving averages, indicating a potential long side opportunity. After verifying the higher time frame, I felt confident in my analysis and decided to execute the trade. Now let's talk about the risk management, a critical aspect of any successful trade. Set the clear stop loss level and ensured a favorable risk-reward ratio. Thus, a disciplined approach played a key significant role in preserving the capital and maximizing the potential profit. The trade resulted in solid $3,600 profit. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the process and satisfaction of seeing your strategy unfold successfully. Every trade is a learning opportunity. From this one, I gained a valuable insights into keeping it calm, believing in the setup, and waiting for the price to move up. It is essential to reflect on each trade, whether it is a win or a loss, to continuously refine your trading skills. Let's dive into the charts. Visualizing the data helps us to understand the market dynamics that contributed to the success of this trade. It's like painting the picture of the market movement. Let's look at the charts, and the trade is taken during a live trading session, and you see the timer running, which is 2:24 p.m. Central Time. And there are two views in this chart, 1 minute view and then the 15-second view. The price was mostly on the range bound from 2 o'clock onwards, and after around 2:20, 2:17 somewhere, and the price kind of broke that range bound, and then it started establishing the higher high. That is pretty visible in the 1 minute, and you see that when it established a higher high, the trade was taken with the expectation that it will be growing. In fact, that's pretty visible in the 15-second. If you see that there are two moving averages in the 15-second as well as in the 1 minute chart. Okay, the one close to the bar is a fast moving average, and the one close a little bit behind is the slow moving average. Because where the trade might grow is the question mark, right? And where this trade will get closed. So these things are discussed in the live session, in the live trading session. You see that the sell order for this particular order which is open is placed at $17,489. Okay, and the expectation is that the trade will be still going to grow and then going to reach that spot, and that's when the trade is going to get closed. And that much level of confidence comes into picture based on doing an analysis of long time frame and believing in the trade, and then waiting for the trade to kind of grow and reach that spot. If you join the live sessions, I talk about all of this, and you'll be also seeing the upper limit and lower limit, and where to enter, where to exit, and all of that. Where you see this is a picture perfect execution where the trade gets closed at $489. Okay. If you found this video helpful or have your own trading experience to share, drop a comment below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, happy trading.